Hello everyone. Today we will be going over the Australian courts, what they are, and why you might have a matter in this court. We will start with the Commonwealth courts, which are national courts. This includes the High Court of Australia, the Federal Court of Australia, and the Federal Circuit and Family Court of Australia. The High Court of Australia is the highest court in the Australian court hierarchy. It is the final court of appeal in Australia for criminal and civil matters from all courts. It hears matters involving disputes about the interpretation of the Australian Constitution as well. The Federal Court of Australia hears civil disputes governed by federal laws. It hears matters on bankruptcy, corporations, industrial relations, native title, taxation, human rights, and migration. It also hears appeals from the decisions of the Federal Circuit and Family Court of Australia. The Federal Circuit and Family Court of Australia hears less complex disputes from the Federal Court of Australia. These matters can involve issues such as family law and child support, administrative law, admiralty law, bankruptcy, copyright, human rights, industrial law, migration, privacy and trade practices areas. The state or territory courts are lower courts which are in each state or territory. These include the Supreme Court, the County Court, the Magistrates Court, and the Land and Environment Court. The Supreme Court is the highest state court. It also hears serious criminal matters. The Supreme Court of Appeal hears all civil appeals from the Supreme Court, County Court, and the Land and Environment Court. Appeals from the Supreme Court of Appeal are heard by the High Court. The County Court, also known as the District Court, deals with civil claims and all motor accident cases. It also hears less serious criminal offences. The County Court determines all appeals from the Magistrates Court. The Magistrates Court, also referred to as the Local Court, hears both criminal and civil matters. These are usually non-serious criminal matters and small civil claims. The Land and Environment Court is a specialist environment and planning court, which is responsible for interpreting and enforcing planning and environmental law. This court mainly deals with civil matters. This brings us to the end of our courts in Australia.